So, this is my studio. Today I'm shooting a bike for Cyclist magazine. Just pull up on the screen for you. So that'll be next issue's Cyclist magazine. How did I get into photography? Well, actually I studied painting to start off with. I think like anyone, I just did the things that I was good at, and that happened to be drawing at the time. So I did just the standard route of doing my GCSEs, doing my A-levels, doing a foundation course, and then went to Norwich School of Art to study painting, which might sound weird given that I'm now doing this, but that's the thing about doing art, is that there's lots of different uses for creativity, and they very rarely tend to be the things that you start out to do. I don't know many people who study painting that are still painting, or conversely people who study photography that are still photographers. I think that lots of parents probably are often concerned about their kids doing something creative. Like there's no commercial sort of you can't realise the sort of all the training and all the time and money put into it don't often pay off. But I found that not to be the case, and it's a case of persistence, really. Doesn't matter where you're from, doesn't matter how good you are, in a sense. It's just about being able to keep going through the bad times, and hopefully in the end it pays off. And it's been a fantastic experience, really. I mean, I think I've made the most of the little training, and in fact no training. I'm completely self-taught. But that's the thing that an art degree gives you, is the ability to do basic problem solving, and that's kind of what it's really about. As part of that, I've worked for lots of different brands like Asics, Adidas, Mazda, O2, lots of magazines like Men's Fitness and Cyclist magazine. I've shot people like Bradley Wiggins and Joanna Conter. I've travelled with work to places like Berlin, Orlando, Valencia, Utah, Dubai, Belgium. Frankly, it's been good fun, and I would always recommend, if you are passionate about art, to study it. I feel pretty privileged to be able to make a living out of making pictures. There's no reason why you can't do it too.